Ever wondered why your muscles scream the day after a rigorous workout? It's a question that's probably crossed your mind as you groan in discomfort, struggling to even get out of bed after pushing your body to its limits. This phenomenon, my friends, is known as muscle soreness, a common occurrence especially for those who are just embarking on their fitness journey or have recently switched up their workout regimen. It's like a badge of honor, a testament to your hard work and dedication. However, it's not all glory and progress. This nagging discomfort can hinder your performance, potentially affecting your next workout session. So, what's the deal here? Why does our body respond in such a way to our efforts to improve it? Is there a way to ease this unpleasant aftermath of progress? Well, to answer these questions, we need to dive into the fascinating world of human physiology. Understanding the science behind muscle soreness might just help you manage it better. Muscle soreness isn't just a sign of a good workout, it's your body's way of adapting to new fitness levels. Let's dive into the science behind this soreness phenomenon. It all begins with the process of exertion during a workout, where your muscles are subjected to more stress than they're accustomed to. This leads to microscopic damage to the muscle fibers, commonly known as micro tears. Now, don't panic. These micro tears are a necessary evil for muscle growth and strength. As you push your muscles beyond their comfort zone, these tiny tears occur. Your body, always keen on self-preservation and improvement, responds by repairing these tears. This repair process involves the synthesis of new proteins, which bind together to heal the tears, ultimately leading to bigger and stronger muscles. Yes, you heard it right. This discomfort you're experiencing is actually your body sculpting itself into a stronger version. However, there's a catch. This repair process isn't entirely pain-free. As the body kicks into repair mode, it triggers an inflammatory response. Now, inflammation often carries a negative connotation, but in this case, it's a necessary part of the process. Inflammation rushes blood and nutrients to the damaged area, aiding in the recovery. But it also results in the familiar sensations of soreness and stiffness you feel post-workout. This discomfort, often peaking about 48 to 72 hours after the workout, is known as delayed onset muscle soreness, or DOMS for short. It's your body's way of saying, hey, we're working on those repairs, but it's going to take a little time and it might not be entirely comfortable. So, you might be wondering, is there a way to ease this discomfort without hindering your body's natural recovery process? Absolutely. The key lies in supporting your body's recovery efforts, not stifling them. But don't worry, there are ways to support your body's recovery and minimize discomfort. Let's uncover these in the next segment. Stay tuned. Supplements can play a crucial role in aiding your body's recovery process. Let's dive into the world of recovery, where potions of promised potential await. You see, when you work out, you're essentially causing micro tears in your muscle fibers. This sounds scary, but it's actually a good thing. It's these tiny tears that stimulate muscle growth and strength, but here's the kicker. They're also the cause of that dreaded post-workout soreness. Enter the power of supplements, your secret weapon in the battle against muscle soreness and fatigue. These aren't magical potions, but they work wonders in providing your body with the necessary nutrients to repair and build muscles. They're like the cavalry riding to the rescue, ensuring your body has everything it needs to heal those micro tears, reduce inflammation, and get you back in the game faster. Different supplements have different superpowers when it comes to aiding recovery. Consider protein supplements, for instance. They provide your body with amino acids, the building blocks of muscle tissue. Consuming protein after a workout can accelerate muscle repair and growth, reducing the time you spend hobbling around like a pirate with a peg leg. Then there are supplements rich in omega-3 fatty acids like fish oil. These are like peacekeepers in your body, reducing inflammation and helping your muscles recover faster. Or perhaps you might consider supplements with creatine, a compound that helps your muscles produce energy during heavy lifting or high-intensity exercise. There's also the power of minerals. Supplements like magnesium assist in muscle contraction and relaxation, helping to ease muscle soreness after a strenuous workout. And let's not forget about antioxidants. They're like the superheroes of the supplement world, fighting off harmful free radicals that can slow down your recovery. But remember, supplements are just that. A supplement to a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. They're not a magic bullet, but they can certainly give your recovery a much-needed boost. So, which supplements can help you bounce back faster? Stay tuned as we unveil 5 of the best supplements for muscle recovery in the next scene. Let's explore 5 supplements that can significantly aid your muscle recovery and reduce soreness. First on our list is Carlisle Tart Cherry. This supplement is a powerhouse of antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress that can occur after a strenuous workout. Research shows that tart cherry can also reduce inflammation and muscle damage, promoting quicker recovery. Next up is nature-made magnesium glycinate. Magnesium plays a critical role in muscle contraction and relaxation, and even a slight deficiency can hinder recovery. The glycinate form is known for its superior absorption, ensuring your muscles get the magnesium they need. Thirdly, we have Mega Red Krill Oil. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, this supplement supports heart health, but it's also beneficial for your muscles. Omega-3s can reduce inflammation, aiding in recovery and potentially reducing muscle soreness. Our fourth supplement is Ketostat Creatine HCl. Creatine is a well-researched supplement with proven benefits for muscle recovery. It helps replenish energy stores in your muscles, allowing for more efficient recovery and better performance in your next workout. Last but certainly not least is the Dimetize ISO 100 hydrolyzed protein powder. Protein is crucial for muscle repair and growth, and this supplement provides a high-quality, easily digestible source. The hydrolyzed form means it's broken down into smaller pieces, allowing for quicker absorption and utilization by your muscles. Each of these supplements has its unique benefits, backed by scientific research, and together they can offer a comprehensive approach to muscle recovery. However, it's important to note that everyone's body is different. Some may experience significant benefits from one supplement, while others might find a different combination more effective. Incorporating these supplements into your routine can be a game changer, helping to reduce soreness and enhance recovery. But remember, supplements are just one piece of the puzzle. A balanced diet, proper hydration, and adequate rest are equally important in supporting your body's recovery process. For your convenience, a link in the description will take you directly to these exceptional products. Now that you're armed with the knowledge of these powerful supplements, the ball is in your court. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've explored today. The discomfort you feel after a strenuous workout is a natural part of the journey, but it doesn't have to slow you down. We've delved into the science of muscle soreness and discovered the role of supplements in hastening recovery and minimizing discomfort. We've discussed 5 exceptional products: Carlisle Tart Cherry, Nature-Made Magnesium Glycinate, Mega Red Krill Oil, Ketostat Creatine HCl, and Dimetize ISO 100 hydrolyzed protein powder. Each of these supplements offers unique benefits, from reducing inflammation with tart cherry to improving muscle strength with creatine HCl. Incorporating these into your fitness routine could be the game changer you've been seeking. Your fitness journey doesn't have to be a painful one. With the right supplements, you can make muscle recovery a smooth process. That's it for today's topic on muscle recovery and the role of supplements. We appreciate your time and interest. We invite you to explore these supplements. Try Carlisle Tart Cherry, Nature-Made Magnesium Glycinate, Mega Red Krill Oil, Ketostat Creatine HCl, or Dimetize ISO 100 hydrolyzed protein powder. Share your experience, let us know how these supplements are contributing to your fitness journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful fitness content. Until next time, stay fit and stay healthy. And